In today's video, I will teach you how to make a brochure for your pest control business in Canva. Let's get started. Now that we've made a logo, flyers, and business cards for your pest control business, it's time to make business brochure to let people know what your business is all about. First, open Canva, and in the home page, type in the keyword business brochure on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the hundreds of available brochure templates for pest control business in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the Create a Design button at the top panel and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. And once you've opened your canvas or template, you can now customize your brochure based on your preferred design. You can also use your brand kit to easily customize your brochure in accordance with your brand. If you would like to be more precise with your work, you can enable the guidelines, print bleeds, and margin on the File tab. To import your images in Canva, you can simply open the Uploads tab to import images from your computer. In case of the elements, you can add illustrations and graphics from the Elements tab. To do this, simply search the keyword for different types of elements, and in case of your pest control business, Canva has a vast collection of elements under the pest control keyword. Lastly, to add text, simply open the Text tab and select which type of text you would like to make, or simply use the text combination presets in the text library. And on the top panel, you can change the font style, the font size, and the color of the text. Lastly, make sure to include your business contact information, social media handles, and site location, both at the front and the last page of your brochure so that people who are interested can easily reach out. To save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the right format for your file. I highly recommend either using PNG or JPG as the file format. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.